Hello, I got this 2014 Renault Mégane Estate with a 1.5 DCI engine, and customer was complaining that their battery was draining. Like they finished driving, turn off the car, and later turn it back on, but will not turn on. Also, there was a lot of water in the interior. This was all the water coming out, by the way. These are the passenger and the driver footwells. They were full with water, and so I removed these wipers, take out this, and there's two drainage holes for water what comes there to go outside. And I unclogged these holes and cleaned it all up with air and removed the interior. So I removed both of the seats and the carpet all out, and the middle console, and this was all like filled up with water, like max, and also in the back here. And the problem, because there was a power leak or whatever it was doing, this made the battery drain. It's fully oxidated. Also this one, I probably have to resolder these and check for a resistance with the multimeter. Connect it and check resistance here and here if the connections are still intact. So when that's finished, put it all back together, make sure most of the water is gone. I drilled some drainage here and here because this is all sponge in the inside, and there's still water coming out of it. Also from here, like, look, it's full of water. It's a very big job to get it all out, so I was better off to make drainage holes for the water to go away. Also there. So yeah, it's a pretty big job, and yes, with result. So always check your drainage from the wipers.